Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Cisa. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys this amazing unboxing right before Christmas. So for me, it's a little special Christmas gift. If you're interested in seeing what I received, then keep watching. Alright, so I was reached out to by Plantxco over on Instagram, and they said that they saw my videos here on YouTube and saw my growing plant collection and the images that I have over on Instagram. They decided to ask me if I wanted to receive one of their plants, and of course I said yes. So today we are unboxing this lovely box. Alright, so here we have it, the lovely box from Plantxco. On top is their card, on the back is information on how to care for your spider plant and a QR code. I love the packaging. As you can see, it's just a cardboard box, but still simply beautiful. And then they have their branded sticker. Upon opening the box, you will see here my two plant babies. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. Another card with their QR code on the back. And so the two plant babies were nicely wrapped, and as you can see, one was on top and one was on the bottom, covered in like little cardboard strippings. I must say, you can see that they took time and care into packaging these spider plants. So yeah, I was just like in love. So now let's get to potting them in their new home. Here I have my terracotta pot. It was dirty, so I took it, wiped it down, scrubbed it down, and now here it is, the best that I could do, because I really wanted to get these spider plant babies in their new pot. So I had some soil in a plastic bag, because of course, if you're into plants, you got soil everywhere. So I'm not exactly sure what the mixture is on this soil, but I know it's a well-draining soil. And so I just put the soil in the bottom of the plant pot, and now we are going to get into unwrapping our plant babies and seeing their beautiful, beautiful roots. So again, it's wrapped in plastic, and then like the paper towel was slightly damp and well wrapped around the roots of the spider plant babies. Here I am unfolding it, and y'all, oh my gosh, the roots. Come on, roots. It was giving, it was rooting. I love it. Just the roots weren't like wet or like soggy. They were just perfect. Like the packaging was just phenomenal. Here we are up close, just a little bit more of a view of their roots. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the other one because I plan to put them in the same pot. For a minute, I was thinking about putting them in separate pots, but then I was like, no, I want it to look really full and just to flourish. So I decided to put them in one pot. And so they're both gonna go in my terracotta pot that I have. And yeah, let's see these roots. Same thing, you know, the paper towel was slightly damp, nothing soggy, nothing wet. It was just perfect. So these roots are also just flourishing, and yeah, look at the bundle. When you put them together, it's just full, it's giving life, and just, I can't wait to see these babies grow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just place that in the middle, and then we're gonna put soil around it just to make it complete. And that is pretty much how you plant your babies in a plant pot. This is not repotting, this is putting them in their first pot. So yeah, when you go ahead and put the soil around, after you put the soil around, you're gonna wanna like push it down just to make sure everything's in. I wasn't being very neat, I could have been neater, but y'all, I was just so excited. I'm like, I wanna see them in the pot. So I'm going ahead and getting the soil off of the little stems from the plants that are down at the bottom, because the spider plants, you know, they kind of just are a little all over the place. So there were some little stems down the bottom that I did get soil on, but I went ahead and removed it, and now I'm just opening it up, making sure that everything is nicely packaged around it, just so that the plant can grow and flourish in its new home. All right, so here we have it. all done. I'm just trying to clean up real quick. All right guys, well here you have it, my brand new spider plant baby in its new home. I can't wait to see her thrive and flourish. I will say this, the packaging, okay, come through Plantxco with the packaging, because that was really good, and her roots were damp. They weren't like super wet, and you can tell it was well taken care of in the way they grew it. I just can't wait to see her flourish. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. What's your favorite plant? Because I'd love to know. My favorite will be in the comments, so check it out. All right, you guys, have a Merry Christmas. This is the best Christmas gift I could have ever received. So again, thank you to my friends over at Plantxco. Bye.